The dust on your floor is currently winning the battle for your home. You probably do not see it yet, but it is there, hiding in the shadows under your sideboard and clinging to the fibers of your rug. This is where the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus enters the frame. It is built around a very specific promise. It wants to show you the dirt you are missing. Those bright lights on the cleaning head are not just for show. They act like a spotlight for every stray hair and crumb. When you turn it on, your floor suddenly looks like a map of everything you forgot to clean. It is a bit shocking at first, but it is also incredibly satisfying to watch that debris disappear into the bin. We have all seen those luxury cordless vacuums that cost a small fortune. This Shark model is trying to be the sensible alternative. It offers that same cordless freedom without the massive price tag. You can grab it off the wall and start cleaning in seconds. There is no cord to trip over. There is no heavy base to lug around. It feels light in your hand. You can swivel it around furniture legs with just a flick of your wrist. It is designed for the way we actually live. Most of our messes are small and annoying. It is a spilled box of crackers or a trail of hair from the dog. This vacuum handles those moments effortlessly. The suction is strong enough to lift pet hair out of carpet and pull dust from hardwood cracks. It is not the most powerful motor ever built, but for a daily driver, it is more than enough. You have to be realistic about the battery life though. You get roughly 20 to 30 minutes of power on a single charge. If you live in a massive house, you might find yourself racing against the clock. It is perfect for quick sessions or smaller homes. It is a trade-off. You get a lighter machine that is easier to handle, but you lose that marathon run time. Most users seem to find that deal worth it. They love how simple it is to click off the floor nozzle and turn it into a handheld. You can hit the cobwebs in the corners or vacuum the crumbs out of the car seats without any hassle. It is about removing the friction from cleaning. When a tool is this easy to use, you tend to use it more often. Your house stays cleaner because the barrier to start is gone. It is not going to replace a massive upright for a deep spring cleaning of a whole mansion, but it will definitely keep your daily life from feeling like a losing battle against the grit. It hits that sweet spot where price meets performance. It is a solid, dependable tool for people who want a clean floor without a complicated setup or a massive credit card bill. It proves you do not need to overspend to get a house that actually feels fresh. You just need the right tool for the job. It is practical. It is punchy. It finally reveals what you have been missing on your floors every single day.